Black power is higher than all towers, truer than all liars, and stronger than all policies. Cops getting bodied for following Giuliani. See a brother kill a brother, a suicidal philosophy. That ain't how it gonna be. Word to the sun in me, I spit it like a gun and let my dick bust a ton of me. Multiply naturally, you scared of the deal. You better off spreading love, 'cause the fear will get you killed. You reap what you sow systematically. Word to my seed and the Godfather that planted me. Rain that watered me, Mother Nature that nurtured me. I'm over the brutality, oppression couldn't murder me. When you took mine, you lost one mathematically. Blind to the fact we're the same in actuality. This is the reality embedded in anatomy. Act consciously and feel my wrath astronomically. Birth from the sand of the motherland to the non-melanin, back to the first colored man. Ain't we all African? Ain't we all family? I prophesize unity to free us from insanity. Strengthen our mentality and raise our morality. More love, more peace, more living happily. Universally, worldwide, internationally. Truly spreading love to empower our humanity. Black is brilliant, black is longevity. Black is African and authenticity. Black is conscious collective creativity. Black is king and queen of everything. Black power. Black power. I'm as free as I wanna be. We as free as we wanna be. I'm as free as I wanna be. We as free as we gonna be. Choose. We as free as we wanna be. I'm as free as I'm gonna be. Black and powerful, witness the impossible, cultivating a civilization of unstoppable high priests and orators, visionaries and warriors, writing a better future and fighting for evolution, breaking down the illusion so people can peep the difference, though truth is only told to those ready to listen. The lips of wisdom don't open for any man, but only speaks to him who's seeking to understand. Peace is in our hands, our mind is in control. Grasp hold of your own, recognize you are the soul. Reflected in the color of my brown skin, the power is awareness of the spirit I was found in. Awake in the true space of reality, where what I see doesn't deceive my own mastery. Use what I know as my path and foundation. Experience seemed to express new revelations. Wisdom is elevation, now is the application. My level is levitation, my mental is new creation. Black power is powerful, strengthen you or devour you. If you really a coward, then this is your final hour. Finalized by the time of a true regime of power. A nation in need of scour, the present moment is ours. Black power.